Dave and Mercedes. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do?
Yeah, my name's Dave Pomeroy. I'm Director of Business Development for the APA.
Yeah, I'm Mercedes Lowell. I'm an Operations Coordinator with APA.
I'm Josh from Wrights Woodworks, based out of Salem, Utah. We're here with Brant Workman from the LaserGuys.
As one of the LaserGuys, we've been in the laser industry for a while. We manage a Facebook group, but ourselves, we're makers as well.
I'm David Graff. I own Ash Number Woodshop. I'm from Gilbert, Arizona. For my day job, I'm a firefighter. On my days off, I'm a hobbyist woodworker and laser engraver.
Hey guys, we're here with Michael Mullins.
I kind of do two things. I have a full-time laser engraving business out of Georgia called Sonoma Laser Engraving, and then I also am the host of Laser Engraving 911 on YouTube.
So we are Lens Digital, and we're the makers of the Pieburn.
Brad Banfield, I actually am the owner of BSE, who's the master distributor for Purex in the U.S.
So my name is Shishir Nigam. I'm the founder of the Maker's Chest. We are a retailer for laser engraving machines.
So I'm John, this is my wife Crystal, and we're here on Too Bad. We have the Riley Black Project, which is our podcast, and keychain thingies, which is what we sell here at APA.
My name is Blake Sanborn, like you said. I'm a laser blank supplier. We have a Facebook group, Great Lakes Laser Supply, where we really help people grow their laser business, figure out how to sell, what their niche should be, and try to help them be successful in that group.
So I am Chelsea Sauter. I am one of the co-owners at HoustonAcrylic. We sell maker-approved laser materials, primarily for CO2 and diode lasers.
I'm Wilson Brim. I run Southern Trophy in Nashville, Tennessee, and I am president-elect of the APA.
Are you guys excited that One Laser showed up for the APA show?
We are so excited. You guys bring a lot of fresh energy to the show, which we really, really appreciate. Attendees that come here are looking for good laser technology, and that's what this show is all about. And to have a new exhibitor like One Laser, who sponsored our bags as well, so we have your logo on everybody's shoulder as they're walking the show here. Couldn't be better.
You got the Hydra. How is that working out for you? I do have the Hydra 9. It's in my shop currently right now. It's amazing, to be honest. The RF tube, the 38 watt RF tube, it's a game changer for sure compared to glass CO2. Now the Hydra 9 also has the 100 watt CO2 glass tube as well, and that's a powerhouse for cutting. But having the 38 watt RF tube for engraving all different materials is definitely a game changer. So what about One Laser stands out from other competitors?
You can batch out tumblers wicked fast. I want to say that tumblers that I was doing before that were taking anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, I'm getting them down to like 2 minutes running on a One Laser machine. So it's crazy how you take that time, and time is money. So as a creator, maker, myself, if I can save that time, really my profit is going up per time I'm spending in front of my machine.
I would say innovation. The technology that they put into the lasers, where they're going, the direction of the company, and the community and the team that they put behind One Laser, I've been really impressed with. And seeing the laser, and from what I've come from an outdated laser to what I see now, is night and day. I've just been very impressed with what I see. And so moving forward, I would be happy to recommend One Laser to anybody that's in the future looking for it.
Since the one that I got is the RF tube, I'm really excited to see that kind of speed in such a small form factor at such a great price. I'm really excited to put those speed specs to the test, because in my business and in any laser engraving business, one of the things that is often overlooked is speed. Everybody gets caught up on the wattage, the size, the camera, but really in my business, what's most important is speed and how fast the machine can get that job done, so I can do more jobs in a day than a slower laser could, because that makes me more money in the end.
I would say the innovation and definitely the price.
So about One Laser, this industry needs innovation. If you're not innovating, you're moving backwards. That's what One Laser brings. Their unique features, their usability, their focus on user experience, their focus on the community and understanding the customer needs very much aligns with our philosophy and our way of thinking about doing business. That's why we really love One Laser. And of course, there's the team, the awesome team that we really trust and we love hanging out with and just talking to. There's a lot of talent, a lot of energy, a lot of passion in the team. And that's kind of what attracts us to One Laser. That's why we're so proud to partner with them.
In my reviews, when I've seen different machines, I come across a lot of brands, and when One Laser hit the market, what really stood out was the quality of their build. I think that was a very, very big thing. You could see the physical structure of the machine, and also obviously the speeds that the laser source can achieve. All of those reasons, I think, for the price point, you don't expect that kind of quality, so that's what really stood out for me.
Yeah, I think including the RF tube and the smaller form factor is incredible. We have a CO2 Galvo that has that RF tube, and I really love the benefits of that, and I could see something like that in that form factor in
our future.
Are you excited that One Laser showed up this year?
Absolutely. We're glad that y'all are exhibiting. You've got a lot of cool things along with your lasers in the booth. You got the spinning wheel back over here, and it's just a lot of energy.
How are you enjoying the APA show so far?
It's been great. We started out yesterday and got to go to a couple of sessions, learn a lot from fellow makers, especially like Alicia Pate. She's been great. But yeah, the show's been awesome so far.
So far, it's great. I actually am very shocked on how many people are actually showing up to it. The class has actually been really great and informative. So I highly recommend coming out here and just getting an idea, especially if you're in the laser engraving personalization. This is the perfect event for you.
We heard you spoke at a panel today. How did that go?
I was on the panel speaking about how I use artificial intelligence to produce art for my customers or for myself to sell like online as files and turn them into vectors. But there were other guys on the panel that were talking about how they use it for marketing and how they use it to make their business flow better with the operations in their business, and how they used AI to analyze their business to figure out where the bottlenecks were and how they can improve on them. So I learned just as much as I think everybody in the audience did.
This is your first APA show. How's it going so far?
It's been great. It's been great to rub shoulders with obviously everybody in the industry, hang out with the ONELASER guys, but also in general meet lots of people in the laser industry outside of that. So it's been quite fruitful.
It's great. It's exposing to a new clientele. How are you liking it?
Tons of networking and meeting new people that we wouldn't have met already in the laser community.
It's been great. Really love the energy. It seems like something that we're going to come back to. Yeah, it's been great.
I really like it. This is my first time coming to APA, our first time having a booth. I was actually really surprised by like the diversity of all the attendees. I thought it was going to be a lot more focused on maybe just like the awards and trophy business, which we have a little bit of a niche in, but we haven't spent much time there. But I've actually been blown away by how many unique makers and projects that there really are here at this conference versus what I expected.
Now, how are you enjoying the show so far?
I'm really enjoying it. It's always fun to come in and see the new product, especially the new vendors like One Laser that are here, but also it's great to see old friends and the relationships that we have built over the years by attending the APA.
Great. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
This morning, now watch me step. The week was murder. I'm gonna get rid of the stress. I'm feeling lighter. I'm finally feeling like I can breathe. The night is calling. Tension, gonna blow in the breeze. We're rolling downtown. We're grooving to the sound. We're rolling downtown. The weekend's here and it feels so right. Tell my crew what's up.